What's up guys, it's your boy Tutorial Man 1818 here with another quick and easy tutorial video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to look up a Discord user's ID and see what servers they're in. This site obviously is not complete. It's fairly new and has just been put up again after it was taken down. Anyways, you go onto Discord. This is how you get the ID, by the way. You go on to Discord, go ahead and go to appearance, developer mode, check that shit. Then you're gonna want to right click on the person's whose ID you want. Click copy ID, drop it into here. I'll have the link to the site in the description. Search it up, and then it will show the servers that they're in. And I think it's still being expanded. I'm not totally sure. I probably won't have to do a tutorial on this, but you can also download the database and search it from there. It's the same exact thing, it's just offline. Anyways, that's the tutorial. Go ahead and have fun. Be responsible, don't do drugs.